Hello, and welcome to the NEO Imaging Roes Records demonstration. This video will give you a brief overview on how to order through records. Today we're going to do an underclass test just to give you an idea on how the system works. And first we're going to start by launching the program, which I've already done. Next we're going to go into the sizes palette and we're going to choose underclass since that's the type of job we'll be working on. Next we're going to go hit the records button. These are some preferences that you can set, but we'll hit the records button. That brings up a spreadsheet-like table. The first thing we're going to do is go into the presets, and we're going to drop down. Since the type of job we're doing is underclass, we will select the underclass button. And yes, we do want to replace the blank field names with the preset field names. So there we have. Subject ID is the individual photo. Group shot is the class picture. First name, last name, grade, student ID, school, class photo line 1. On the class photo there's an option for multiple lines, so line 1 and line 2, and then packages. We need to tell the program what row to use as packages, so we're going to select use as packages now, and that will turn the row pink. That gives us what we need here right now. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to import our images, and I'm going to browse to a folder which I've already set up, and these are the images we're going to use for this demonstration. You see they're populating across here. Next we're going to populate the subject ID row with the images, so we're going to choose add images, and yes, we want to add the thumbnails to the table, and basically we're going to replace the blank fields with our thumbnails of our images, and there we have. We're going to take this class photo and we're going to drag it into there. We're going to copy this to the rest of the field, to selection, yes, and I'm going to delete this image. We don't need it now. We're going to remove column. There we go. So now we have a table with our images, and this is the individual, this is our class picture, and then here we can fill out as much information as needed. It's not required. Some products call for that information if you need labeling or packaging or sorting. This is where that information comes from. Student IDs, school. Let's see if I can move this over now. Yes, I'm able to. So this would be where we at, Kenston. And packages are defined here, P-Q, and that means package-quantity. So for example, A-1 gets you one package A, B-2 gets you one package A and two package Bs. And that's how you would go ahead and fill this across. You can do as much or as little as needed. Here we're going to just do an A-1. So that will get you, this person here would get two package Bs, one package A. This person here who we've entered no data on, just their package, they'll get A-1. Next we're going to go define our packages, and for this demonstration we'll add a group and we'll just call it test. And we're going to make a package A, and we're going to make a package B. And what we're going to do is minimize this window slightly, and on Mac you're going to hit Command 2, on PC you're going to hit Control 2. This will bring up our products palette. We will drag the, let's say package A is an 8x10, it's two 5x7s, and it's 8 wallets. And let's say package B is one 5x7 and 4 wallets. There we go. The next thing we're going to do, we're ready to start reviewing. I'm going to close this and open this back up. We're going to save the table. The saving the table allows us to return to this point in the job at a later date. If you do a lot of data entry, you don't have to do it again. So this is very important. Save table. I like to call the table data, and I like to save it in the directory with the images from the job. So I keep them all together. So now I've got a table, images, products, packages. I'm all set to start reviewing. I hit start reviewing. It's going to say there's a problem with some of the packages. Well, the problem is these people haven't ordered packages, so there's some blanks in there, and that's okay. I'm going to hit start reviewing. Uh, an empty column. There's 2 empty columns right here. I could delete those if I want, or I could just say start reviewing. Um, do I want to review all of them or one? If I just wanted to review one kid, or I wanted to test one package to make sure everything's working okay, I could select just that kid and just choose review selected and just review just that one individual. But for this instance, I'm going to review all. And here we go. From here, it's like the standard rows. You're able to zoom and crop as needed and go to the next button. And you can zoom and crop as needed. Next. You'll notice that they start off blank on multi-nodes. That saves some horsepower on the computer, makes it a little quicker. Once you move them, they will populate fully. They will print fully as well. You don't have to move them in order to make them print. Like if I was happy with that crop as is, I could hit next, and that will print. That job will print fine. There's the next one there, and next, and let's see, I wanted to twist these a little bit. There we go, and next. Okay, this is very important. At the end of the review process, you want to make sure that you add your items to the order. That's putting them in the shopping basket. Without doing this, your order is non-existent. So this shows that this person ordered package A, and you can scroll through, you can see your pricing. You can do options here, like let's say if you need to add retouching, you can add that here. Down here you can choose to pick up or have it shipped. If you want to put a studio reference on the job, you can do that. Drop ship if it's getting drop shipped somewhere. If you have a promo code. Special instructions. Please take a look at cropping. Whatever you need to put. The lab technician working on the job will see this. Show order allows you to print out a summary of what you're ordering, which is nice for your records. So if you want to print that, you'd be able to print it. And at this point, we're ready to submit to the lab, complete order, send it by internet, send later by internet, or send to disk now. And once I hit the next button, it's going to package it up and send it. And this concludes our crash course on how to order a Roes Records Underclass job. Thank you.